Hello everyone, today I will show you how to type limited characters or limit typing characters in a fillable PDF form using PDF-XChange Editor. Simply you can type multiple characters or text and say this. And I'll limit this character limits. Now select this form option and this select field and drag your mouse to the selected field or click on this field, select and press right button for our mouse cursor, select properties dialog box. This right side panel, this properties dialog box, and scroll down and this character limit, no limit, and now click here and click on this up arrow and this 4 characters, 5, 8. That's 8 characters. I'll limit only you can type 8 characters. Now select the hand option and type your text and see this. Only 8 characters you can type multiple characters including a space. Yeah, in this way you can limit all your fillable PDF form. You can also limit this number field and so on. And similarly you can remove this typing characters. Simply select here and no limit in this way. And again select. Now you can type multiple text. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as and fillable PDF form. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.